Stray Love PH ay may inuupahan na bahay.
It's a property. It's a property that's 2,250 square meters.
Oh, malaki-laki.
Yes
Okay.
po.
Tapos may nakatira doon. May nag-aalaga sa mga
Caretakers po namin.
Caretakers.
Yes po.
Okay. I am assuming na bayad tayo monthly.
Yes po.
Bakit tayo pinutulan ng tubig? At saka kuryente. At saka hindi basta-basta dapat pwede magputol ng kuryente. I mean, this is Emeralco, I am assuming.
Yes.
Okay.
Kasi po, after we were enticed by Ronaldo Santos, our landlord,
Okay.
na mag-rent dun sa kanya, he told us we wouldn't have any problems with water and electricity. Every month, we noticed po na pataas ng pataas po yung aming tubig and kuryente. Specifically yung water po, which is ranging from 5,300 to 6,400.
Ha?
And we are using only balde lang po kami. Wala po kaming gripo doon.
Okay.
Nothing. And
Okay.
every time we would ask our landlord, instead of him
Wala bang
answering,
metro?
Sa kanila po.
naka-submeter, and she shows us pictures, nagpapakita po siya ng pictures, pero hindi po yung start of the month, attorney, and then end of the month. Hindi
Hindi,
ganon.
dapat may reading yan eh.
Correct.
End and start.
Correct.
Your end becomes your start.
Correct.
Oo.
And then whenever we would ask her, magkano po ba per cubic meter? Hindi siya sumasagot. And then ito po, attorney, no? Every time we would ask her, Ate Eva, pahingi po ng bill. Magbibigay lang po siya ng picture ng disconnection notice. And then ang pinakamasaklap sa lahat ay yung tatawag yung caretakers namin, ma'am, wala na namang tubig. Pag
Magkano-
magtatanong po kami, bakit po, Ate Eva, pinutulan niyo na naman kami ng tubig? Sasabihin niya, abay,
Kasi hindi kayo nagbayad.
nagte-therapy. No po, we are paid all the time.
Okay.
Nagte-therapy yung Kuya Ronald nyo, the landlord, kailangan namin patayin yung tubig pag kami ay lumalabas para magpa-therapy siya. Sabi ko,
Bakit?
wait lang po. Kasi puputok daw po yung pipes. Sabi namin, but we are paying you outrageous rates.
Yes.
5.3, di ba? 5.7,
Yes, yes,
6.3. So, why will you put off the water?
Magkano ang rent ninyo sa
12,000
facility?
po. And then nalaman po namin sa Nawasa, when we went to Nawasa, na ang tubig nila, they have 2 lines there.
Oo.
Only totals, dependent on the month, totals lang daw po. Yung isa is 1,500, yung isa is ranging from 2,000 to 3,000 or 3,500. Put it together, mas
Kayo ang
mahal pa po.
nagbabayad.
Exactly.
Yes. And then sabi pa ng tiga Nawasa,
Kaloka.
they are under surveillance sa amin because we were told they are selling water illegally without any permit. Meron sila doon galon-galon, nagbebenta.
Ay, ay, ay.
Kami po ang bine-blame. Sa
Okay.
galit nila kasi daw,
Oo.
sa
Kayo nagsumbong.
daw. But kami po ay napaka-inosente. Wala kaming alam sa mga kabalastugan na ginagawa nila.
Yes. Oo.
Ngayon po, bayad po kami, attorney, every month ng tubig at ilaw. Bakit kamo December hindi kami nagbayad?
Oo.
Kasi ganito, tumawag ang aming caretaker, Madam, wala na naman po tayong tubig.
Paano yung mga
Magsisipatayan
aso? Yeah.
naman ang mga aso. Kasi na-notice nila, every time there's no water, nagiging agresibo ang mga aso. And then,
Yeah, because
they
they
get
have to
into
drink.
fights.
Yeah.
Exactly.
They have to we have to give them a bath, di ba?
Exactly. Wala na pong naliligo, even our caretakers. Kaya nagsisialisan yung caretakers namin and parati kaming naghahanap ng bago. Ngayon, ang babait ng mga nakuha namin, but tinitipid nila yung sarili nila kasi
Para
walang
sa mga
tubig.
aso.
Ngayon, ganito, Attorney Ina, to make it clear, no, if Eva is listening. Imagine, she told us last December, I called her, Ate Eva, please, we don't have water for the nth time.
Yes.
Like, if we look at all the days we listed down, that's close to half a month.
Yes.
Why are you doing this? Sabi niya, abay, namamasko po kami Nandito yung aming mga kamag-anak, pumupunta ka, namamasko. Alangan, hindi namin papatayin. Yung ibang araw, ang Kuya Ronald mo ay nagte-therapy.
Nako.
Sabi namin, kawawa
Ano ba
naman
ninyo?
po kami.
Sinubukan na ba natin ito na idulog sa barangay? Did
Yes.
We did.
Okay, and what happened?
So we were told that we are scheduled on the 4th of March.
Okay.
But why are we here? Because
Immediate dapat ang pagbalik ng tubig.
not only attorney, because si Tintin Babaw took pity on us,
Yes.
suggested that we come. She donate
Yes,
and
yes.
she has friends who have already also donated.
Yes.
So she took pity upon hearing of the plight of our dogs. Sabi niya, this is unjust. Yesterday lang po kami nag-file ng
Kahapon.
proper.
Okay, so-
Actually, sa barangay attorney, they have been so nice to us and
Yes.
very, very helpful.
Okay.
In fact, one time, we were called to the barangay. Ang sabi sa amin, ang baho daw po sa shelter nyo, kaya pinapatawag kayo, may summons kami. But the lady who filed the complaint against us, when she found out about what was
lack of
happening,
water.
she said, oh my gosh, I'm related to the landlord. But upon hearing of your story and I know his character,
Yeah.
I know na what's happening.
Okay.
And I will help you.
Bakit ang sinasabi kanina nakausap we were trying to contact them nakausap kanina off air. May oras daw ang tubig 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Is that true?
That's true, attorney.
Okay.
But the thing is, she puts on nga the water, no? Supposedly 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Sometimes she puts it on at 10, 10:30, 2 o'clock, and then at 6 o'clock, it's
Patay
cut.
na.
Wala na.
And there are days that there is
Nawala
no
talaga.
water at all because Ronald Santos daw, our landlord, is off to his therapy because
And they need to close
nag-stroke
it.
siya.
Yeah.
Yes, but I told her, then why are you charging us
Exactly. Bakit kayo pinapabayad?
exaggerated fees, superfluous fees of 5,300 until 6,400?
Is there any other area or meron bang ibang connection na pwede kayong kumakakuha ng tubig na maayos?
No, attorney.
Wala
We were
din.
told,
Malayo.
we were told we have to get a authorization from them, which as landlord,
Or nawasa.
they should give us.
Yeah.
But ang sabi nila sa aming caretaker, manigas sila. Hindi nila kami binayaran ng December. Ito na po, ika-clarify namin, bakit kami hindi
Hindi nabayad
nagbayad.
ng
December lang po, Attorney Ina.
yes.
Kasi po, when we called her Ate Eva, 8 dogs died, okay?
8 dog
In the past
December.
week. In the past week. Kasi dire-diretso siyang note water. And then sabi niya, abay, anong magagawa ko? It's because they don't have water. They're turning aggressive and turning on each other. Kasi kung sining may tubig, doon sila mag-focus. They will try
Yes.
to get the water of
Yes.
that dog. Ngayon, when we made time, umabsent po kami sa aming
Yes.
jobs. We went there, nagpupunta kami sa water refilling station. Punong-puno
Parang
yung
every
aming
day.
SUV ng gallons
Ng
of
tubig.
water. Nag-stop ang aggression, nag-stop ang biting, nag-stop
Yes.
ang fighting. Wala nang patayan. Ngayon, when we called her, Ate Eva, please, i-on niyo po ang tubig. Kasi tenants po kami and
Yes.
charge niyo po kami. Sabi niya, anong gusto mo? Uwi kami, namamasko kami.
And
So,
she
sabi
told
niya,
us.
ganito, para hindi niyo na ako kulitin, wag niyo akong
Tutol na-
bayaran ng Disyembre, pero magmula itong araw na to, wala na kayong tubig dire-diretso dahil putulan ko na kayong tubig.
And isa pa, attorney,
And she
pinutulan din kami ng kuryente. Kahit bayad po kami sa kuryente.
Exactly.
Ang party list na masasandalan. AXIS!
Miss Ana, magandang hapon po sa iyo, ma'am.
Hi, yes. Magandang
Yes.
hapon, Atty. Aina.
Yes,
Ah.
live po tayo ngayon sa Wanted sa radyo and I'm sure nabigyan na po kayo ng background tungkol dito sa plight po ng Stray Love Philippines, ano? And their
Philippines,
problem with their landlord. Ma'am, would you have any inputs on this situation?
Oh, it's sad, no, that they're victim of, I think, yung landlord doesn't have any legal ground to cut off yung
Exactly.
utilities nila. Katulad ng water, you know, yung mga ganyan. Pero kasi yung sinasabi nila na medyo animal cruelty, medyo stretch kasi yon to connect it there.
Okay.
Kasi talagang it's the duty of the owner of the shelter to provide water. I mean, kahit na nakat off
Yes.
pa sila, the
Oo.
dog should be, parang kahit ano, they should be given water no matter what.
Yes,
No? So,
nagiging collateral damage kasi yung plight of the
Yes.
of the dogs. Pero tama po, no, I was just going to say na even ang pagputol ng kuryente, wala pong may karapatan na gumawa niyan kung hindi Meralco.
Yes.
That's a Meralco responsibility. Takaw sunog pa kung basta na lang na mapuputulan
Yes po.
ng ano. And then as tenants, of course, you have every right to demand and to be given the utilities na
Yes.
which are included in
Yes.
the contract.
Especially since they're charging us rates that are so
And you have been paying.
mind-boggling.
And
Yes,
sila
We
rin
have
ang
been
nagsabi na
paying.
huwag na kayo magbayad.
And when we found out po sa Nawasa that we are being charged for their entire water consumption, which shouldn't be.
Exactly. Parang ang bait ninyo. Bait ninyo talaga. Sabihin
And
ko
then
lang.
when they found out that we
na kayo yung nag-inquire.
and they were the ones who told us, don't pay us December.
Yes.
Just don't call us all the time because your caretakers have been bugging us. You are calling us. We are out enjoying.
Definitely, this will be brought to the barangay. Sa barangay lang po kasi, ma'am, bawal ang abogado. You're kind of on your own there.
Yes.
But we suggest na just make sure that complete ang documentation natin. If you have videos and then the exchange, the communication that was exchanged with your landlord, please prepare that para kasama po yan when you do your salaysay and when you explain your predicament po in the barangay.
Yes.
Pagka hindi po nagkaroon ng pag-aayos, saka lang po magkakaroon ng tinatawag na certificate to file action and then we go to court. And of course, you will be
Samahan
assisted.
naman po namin kayo. Ma'am, saan po ang Stray Love PH?
We are located in Barangay Plaza Aldeo.
And
Aldea.
Aldea, Tanay
Sitio
Rizal.
Daong.
Yes. Sitio Daong.
May mga nais pong gumawi
Tumulong.
tumulong po.
Ay, thank you po.
Na-
Salamat talaga.
May mga nais din po na bumisita po sa shelter
yes.
po.
Our
Magdadala
shelter is
sila ng
actually-
tubig.
We would love that.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
fact, can we just say na if we did not plunk in so much of our hard-earned personal
Resources.
savings, we would just prefer to leave. But
Gayon man po, sasamahan naman po namin kayo.
Yes
no?
po.
May reporter po na mag-a-assist sa inyo.
Yan.
Okay. And kausapin din po namin kayo sa kabilang studio.
Thank
Mga ma'am.
you.
Okay.
Thank you very
Mabuhay
much
po kayo.
Thank you so
I
much,
have 3 dogs who
attorney.
sleep with me.
thank you, attorney.
Thank you.
Salamat
Thank
po.
you po.
Thank you very
Thank
much
you.
po.